guys, good morning. It's Saturday and I'm in my office about to upload my first YouTube video in about 9 years. It's a video that I made showing me making the concert tickets on Canva. So if you guys want to check that out, here it is. And it is in the process of uploading. I'm quite nervous about it, but again, I'm doing this. I have records to look back on. So we're gonna do a little bit of stuff today, finish the cross. I want to go to Home Depot and just kind of chill and get the rest of the house Christmas-y today. So I'll take you guys along with me. Okay guys, it's day 7 of vlogging for Vlogmas. Me and the hubby are spending time together. We are going to Dee Dee's and a couple stores, and we need to go to Home Depot. Okay guys, now we are at Marshall's to see what they have, and there's a Burlington as well. Tell me this is not the cutest. So cute. They have all the Christmas stuff. I really want that gingerbread. And I'm trying to convince this guy over here. Okay guys, now we are at Home Depot so that we can get some scrap wood. They have like throwaway wood for free, and we're gonna see if we can get some so that we can make some more crosses. Okay guys, now we are at Home Depot so that we can get some scrap wood. They have like throwaway wood for free, and we're gonna see if we can get some so that we can make some more crosses. They have a self-cutting mount. Won't be using that. Wood is pretty affordable. Oh yeah, this is about the size. The one that we have is a little bit thicker. So I love when me and the honey are just at the stores, looking around. I love Home Depot, so I love all the stores just to be with him and get lunch when the kids ain't with us. So this is where the free wood is, or the 70%. We're just literally making a cross, so we don't need a lot. So I'm very inspired. They're pretty affordable to just do some crafts. I'm not sure what I'd do yet, but. Looks good, honey. Get sandpaper to like sand it a little bit.
You gotta remember that this be in the grass.
Yeah, it looks good. I'm gonna go into Bath and Body Works, even though I already did last week. But hi. We're gonna look and see if there's some other stuff, just because you can't not look at Bath and Body Works when you're right next door to one. Somebody has a new home. So cute, and it has a lot of depth. And I got the girls some stuff to fill it up with. So we've been out for a very long time. I end up getting the gingerbread cookie jar from Marshall's. I got this apron, which is so cute with the gingerbread. I think it looks perfect. Then I got some brownies and some Elf on the Shelf snickerdoodle cookie mix for the girls to make to fill up our new little guy. Then I also just got some butter lettuce, some apple cider, tomatoes, brioche bread, C4, and an onion, because we're going to have burgers tonight. The kids are downstairs, and Saya's whooping her dad in checkers, per usual. Jenny's there, and I'm going to start dinner, and of course, our little Pepsters. He's hoping for some food when he's not going to get any.
Nope.
So we can't show the whole haul because some of the stuff are for Christmas and I don't want the girls to see. So it was a long day. It's about 5 o'clock and I still need to prep dinner and I don't want to do nothing. But we are, and we're going to watch Christmas movies and bake either the snickerdoodles or the brownies. So we're playing checkers and I'm deadlocked. But if I do it this way, I might be able to see. Babe, help me. To make the move. Cheat. Alexa, play Home Alone soundtrack. I have so many gifts to wrap, guys. I have so many gifts to wrap.
Using similar tracks on Amazon Music.
They're so cute. Somebody loves his crossy cross. Now hurry up and make the other one.
Getting popular there. Everybody gonna jump on it.
Alright guys, so my husband is measuring this cross. My mother's cross will be out of these two. Or this one, we're not sure. But let's take a look at mine outside. Look at her. Every time I see her, I'm just like, ah, in awe. And when we do the one in the house, it's going to be even more grand. But that will probably be next year when I can get all the stuff for it. So, and my husband said when he was making the cross, it just felt different than a Christmas tree. And that's what other people have been saying. And that's a blessing. So. This doesn't look long enough. Where do I go? Where do I go? Right here? Like here? Is that where or no? I'm doing it, honey. Wow, that looks like flesh, like an expert. Right here? Oh, so 4. No, I don't want it in case I hit my finger. Okay, it's me. Right, oh, you're making a cricket. My kneecap's hurting. Getting a little confident. You want me to add some more?
No, I'm gonna add those.
Oh. Let me check the food. I forgot, guys, I got these little clips for Jenny. They're so preppy. They're only $3.99 at Didi's, which is a Ross sister store. And I also got this cookie baking sheet from Didi's as well. It was $4.99, which is a steal. Every time I go to Didi's, I try to get some more cooking sheets because they're super cheap. You can get them at Ross as well or Marshall's. But this one is the cookie sheet, has a large non-stick cookie sheet in the background, the actual tray, the cooling grid, and 10 metal cookie cutters. So this is the one we will be using for the holiday season, and probably baking these, which Jenny's gonna bake it on her own channel and she's excited about it. Snickerdoodle cookie mix. And then we are going to have chewy fudge brownies. And tonight we're having burgers, like I said, and possibly watch Home Alone or Elf. We're unsure of the Christmas movies. We kind of all go back and forth. But Home Alone is a must. It's my favorite movie. So, and it's just, that is the Mariah Carey of movies to start the Christmas season, besides A Christmas Story and all the other classics. My husband also got this Christmas shower curtain. It's so cute for the bathroom downstairs, and he's been really into the cheer, and I love that about him. And I forgot to show you guys. So there's quite a few things that we bought that I forgot to show you guys because he kind of already took them out, and some are for Christmas gifts that if the kids look at this video, they will know. So I make the patties, and then I put them in the freezer for about 15 minutes just so that they can be easier to not break. Okay guys, so I've grilled up some onions, some bacon, and some raw onions. This is some butter lettuce, some sliced cheese, tomatoes, and barbecue sauce. And we got some buns on the grill. I put mayonnaise because it gives a really nice crisp on it. So we're looking forward to it, and we're having some waffle fries. Very delicious. Cheaper and way better. My little honey starting the stairs. He does the stairs and I do the decorating, but as far as the mechanics of putting the garland on the stairs, that's all Chris. He's very Are you enjoying the first weekend of Christmas?
Yes, I am. It smells really good.
Taste it.
Well, it's a little too hot right now. That's really, really sweet. It's really, really hot, but it's really good.
Good. You enjoying the first week of Christmas weekend?
Yes.
Taste your cider. Like it or no? All right, bye.